Let's take a closer look at the facsimile of the Hyakumanto Darani, one of the earliest printed works in the world. It was commissioned by Empress Shotoku of Japan in 764. To celebrate peace after a rebellion, she ordered the creation of 1 million miniature wooden pagodas, each one containing a printed Buddhist prayer scroll. Inside the pagodas are scrolls carrying the Vimala Sudha Prabhasa Mahadharani Sutra. It is a long name, but its message is simple: purification, protection, and peace. 4 variations of the prayer were printed: Kompon, Jishinin, Sorin, and Rokudo, each reinforcing a sense of cosmic order. The scrolls were most often read at key hours of the Buddhist day: sunrise, midday, sunset, and night, moments that framed monastic life. In those instants, a humble act of chanting connected the worshipper not only with the Buddha's teaching, but with the authority of the Empress herself. The printing technique is just as extraordinary. These prayers, known as Darani, were made with woodblock printing pressed onto delicate handmade Japanese paper. We are looking at one of the oldest surviving proofs of printing in Japan, completed in the year 770. The pagodas themselves are marvels of craft. Standing about 21 centimeters tall, they are built in 3 stories. Cypress wood forms the solid base, while the upper section is crafted from the smooth grain of the Katsura tree. They were dedicated to the 10 great temples of Nara, including Todaiji and Horyuji, centers of Buddhist devotion and imperial power. The miniature pagodas were often deposited in great temple halls, where monks and pilgrims could approach them as offerings of imperial piety. From its creation over 1,000 years ago to the present day, the Hyakumanto Darani continues to inspire, proving that faith, artistry, and innovation, when combined, can echo through the centuries. The facsimile was published by Maruzen-Yushodo in Japan in 1997.